Hey friends, today I'm sharing this so good chicken recipe that's worth sharing. It comes together just so quickly and can be made for dinner or lunch on any day. With just the chicken, the rub, and just a few other ingredients, you are on your way to this deliciousness. Let me show you what I mean. For this recipe, I'm using chicken thighs and drumsticks. I'm gonna put them aside for now. I'm going to make a spice and rub mix to go on top of the chicken pieces. So for that, I have some oregano, I have some garlic powder, chili powder, onion powder, dry thyme, paprika, brown sugar, black pepper, parsley for garnishing, some melted butter to go on the chicken, salt. Now, in no particular order, mix all these ingredients. Onion powder, now bring all these together. The sugar will help with giving the chicken a very good color. You can definitely skip it, and you can also cut the amount of heat by reducing the chili powder. And this you can also do just to your whim, whatever works for you. So there you have it, set it aside. And just so I can finish everything here all at once, let me do the knife work here. Chop this parsley. Set it aside. Now chicken back. So now these thighs always come with a lot of excess skin and fat. Just going to trim some of it. Then set it aside. The drumsticks, actually there's nothing much to do on them, so they are good. Let me just do the last of the thighs here. I have 4 thighs and 4 drums. Now, put this aside for a second. I have a casserole dish here or a baking pan, so put all this chicken inside. And then I'm going to take the melted butter and then just spread it on top of each piece of the chicken. The butter will help with the color and give it some very good flavor. This is about a tablespoon. You can use olive oil or any oil of your choice if you want to skip the butter. But this gives it a very good flavor and the color too. So rub this. Make sure every single piece is nicely coated with the butter. Salt the chicken on all sides. Take this spice and the herb mix, sprinkle on top of each piece of the chicken here, just a good amount here. Then just rub it. Turn the chicken and do it on the other side. This is where all the flavors for this recipe comes in, so you want to pay attention. Now you want to go underneath the skin too. My oven has just come to temp. I set it at 450 degrees Fahrenheit on roast. So you can see the butter here is kind of getting cold and solidifying. No worries, because it's gonna go into the oven, it's gonna melt back. So turn the chicken aside, so the skin side down to start with, and then when we turn it, it's gonna get all the colors that we are looking for. This chicken has been in the oven for about half an hour, a good time to give it a turn. Looks so good already. Maybe get some of this butter if we can. Probably a brush will work better. Just baste the chicken. This goes back into the oven for about 15 minutes or so, or until the chicken is cooked through, nice and crispy on top. And there you have it. This chicken is all done. Just have a look at that. Beautiful color. Nice, crispy. Set it aside. Get a platter here. Bring one of these thighs here. One of these drumsticks that's almost falling off the bone. The thigh. Get all these beautiful juices. Some of this parsley. And this ready to go to the table. You can also finish with a touch of this rub or the spice mix just to add a notch of that flavor. A good time to have a good taste of this delicious chicken. Some of this chicken here. To serve as a meal, I'm serving mine with these potatoes and broccoli. Check out the recipe on my channel. One drumstick and one of these thigh here. The perfect way to serve this dish. So friends, there you have it. Our so good and worth sharing oven roasted chicken thighs and drums. It's so good. You can batch up this recipe to serve a crowd. It is definitely going to work. Serve it over rice, over anything that you have, and you're gonna have yourself a delicious dinner or lunch on any day. Thank you so much for watching this one. I hope to see you in the next one. Leave me a comment down below, a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Give me a sub.